Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by backing up your mods and saves folder to a separate drive or cloud. This protects your main game from accidental deletion or corruption. Next, enable script mods and custom content in game options before testing. Close the game completely and clear the local thumb cache. Package file. Install a reliable tool such as Sims 4 Launcher or Mod Conflict Detector to help scan packages and script mods for obvious errors and outdated resources. Use a binary testing method to find the offending mod quickly and efficiently. Move half of your mod's content to a temporary folder and launch the game to observe stability and assets. If the problem persists, swap halves and retest until you isolate the problematic subset. When a crash occurs, immediately examine last crash. TXT and client. TXT log files in documents/electronic arts, /The Sims 4 for file-specific error messages and missing resource. When you identify the broken CC, look for an updated version on the creator's page first. If no update exists, remove the offending package or resource and test the game again to confirm stability. For tray items, import suspect items into a fresh, empty save to evaluate problems without affecting your main saves. For script mods, replace them with updated copies or uninstall those that cause errors, and re-enable mods one group at a time to confirm compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.